Hello, and welcome to the Tutorial Toolbox. My name is Tobias, and this is Unity 101, Episode 8. Last time we finished our first concept game, so this time we're going to start on our second one. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning to use the asset store, and we will be importing some objects from the asset store that we will use in this second concept game. So let's open up Unity and get started. First of all, I have deleted everything from the past concept game, and I have started a new scene with a main camera, a 20 by 20 plane, and a directional light. Also still have the camera follow script, smooth follow script imported because we will be using that. So, to get to the asset store from within the Unity editor, we're going to go to the window, asset store, or Control 9. Depending on your computer, this may take a while, especially if it's the first time that you're connecting to the asset store. It has to do some stuff. So when we are connected, you'll see up here I'm logged in as on my account. If you don't have an account, then you need to make one. In here, there is lots and lots and lots of pre-made models or scripts or utilities, basically lots and lots of stuff that you can use in your game. Some of it or is free, and some of it isn't. Some you have to buy. For example, you can see this hex grid, $40, or this Daedalus random dungeon generator is right now on sale for $24.50. So there's a bunch of different things that you can get in here, either by purchasing it or by just downloading the free stuff. We're going to need two things. First of all, we are going to need some 3D models. So we can click 3D models, characters, humanoids. We need some characters. We need our our player to be able to be a player instead. Last time we had a box that we moved around, and this time we're going to be using a real 3D model with real animations so that it looks more like a real game. You can see here there's some free, some non-free. You can basically choose whichever one you want. You just gotta make sure that it has normal rigging. If it isn't, um, if it doesn't say that it has normal rigging, then try to ask the author of the asset. I know for a fact that these Maximo ones has normal rigging, and I feel like using this solder character pack. Right now mine says import because I already have it downloaded. Yours should either say install or download or something like that. And basically that's what you are going to want to do. So let's import it. Once it's finished downloading, this is going to come up, and this is basically, it lets you choose which parts of the ad you might not want it all. For example, I only want, well, I don't really need this readme.pdf inside my project, so I'm just gonna untick that. Also, if I only wanted one of the models, I could untick those that I didn't want either. So let's import it. And now you can see, whoops, and no, okay, so you can't minimize this. You can see here we have the soldier character pack with all the folders and stuff. The second thing we need is some animations. The animation pack we want is called raw mocap. You can search raw mocap data, and it's this one, raw mocap data from Mecanum. It's published by Unity, it's free, and it contains a lot of animations that makes it a lot easier so we don't have to create our own animations from scratch. Once again, you're gonna want to import, you're gonna want to download or install or whatever it's called, and then import it once it's done that. And you can see here there's really a lot of different animations, and we're going to be using some of them. You could, of course, if you already knew which animations you want to use and you're 100% sure you aren't going to use any else, then you could just click those that you want and just avoid the rest. But I'm just going to import all of them for the sake of it. It's going to take a little while because, as you could see before, there's a lot of stuff inside this pack. So it's currently just importing it. Like I already have it downloaded. It takes a little while longer if you haven't downloaded it, but yeah. And while it does so, you can't do anything else. So basically, that's how you use the asset store. You either go by this menu over here and go into the different categories and find something you like, or you search and try to find something you like. And of course, if you're willing to spend money, then the assets are usually better and has better quality and stuff than the free ones, because of course when somebody makes a product that they wish to sell, they're going to put a lot more effort into it. But the free assets are also really good. So you don't have to spend money in order to get all the stuff. Another part of the asset store, as you just saw, is if you click this button, you go into the stuff you have already downloaded, and as well as the standard packages that comes with Unity. And if you click it again, you get back to the store. You can, at the home page, there's usually some sale stuff that if you like, yeah, if you want to save some bucks, if you were planning on getting something that costs money, then you should check out the home page and see if there's anything. Those are the most popular and also some for sale. Also, there's this 24-hour deals thing they have going every day that also costs less. We can see in here on this Unity ad, it's a free one. It says download, not install. That's my bad. So basically, this is another asset by Unity. Like, for example, they have done this by making these assets so you don't have to have all these stuff inside your game, inside your editor or whatever, all the um, all the time, so that if there's something you feel like you're missing, then they probably have an asset for it, and you can go search, and if they have, you can just download it and you're good to go. For example, these Unity ads, if you wish to have ads on your mobile, if you're developing a mobile game, then Unity Ads is a gamer-only ad network that is going to be expanded even in Unity 5, but for now it still works. Like you can just download it, get it, and then you have ads on your game in the matter of, well, minutes. All right, so that's the asset store, and as you can see, it comes all pre-packaged inside folders. This soldier's character has two models, a soldier and a SWAT. It's basically the same model, more or less, with different textures. This raw mocap data has this default avatar, which is used for basically showing uh, these these white marks are showing the joints, and in the animations, if we can go there, they are using this avatar to show the animations are built upon this avatar, and we're just gonna take them and put them into our model if he has the same ratings. So that is all for this tutorial. It's a short one, I know that, and apparently it wasn't done importing. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. Next time we are going to be starting to create this game by slowly animating our, well, not slowly, by animating our soldier or whatever model you have chosen. We're going to animate it so that it can look more normal, as you can see right now if I pull it out. Let's just position him at 0, 0, 0. Um, you can see this is what they look like standard. He is standing with his arms spread. If I play the game, you can see he's standing like this and can't really do nothing. So we'll be adding some animation so it looks more natural and more real, and as well as making, I'm not sure if next time we'll make him move, but if we don't do it next time, then we'll definitely do it the time after that. So, this has been all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you wish to see more, then be sure to subscribe, because if you subscribe, it's easier for us to keep you updated. You're going to get some notifications and stuff when we upload a new video, and you can see it instantly instead of having to go search for it. And it also shows us that you think that what we're doing is good, and it makes us want to do it more. So, that is all for this time. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a blast. I'll see you guys next time.